Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to join Roblox Grow Garden server Discord. So guys, go to roblox.com and from the website, official website, all you have to do search on the Grow Garden, as you can see here guys. And after that guys, garden, you make sure this is the official Discord server Grow Garden, this one. Click on this one. After that, all you have to do guys, scroll down and make sure click the social Discord server. After that guys, wait to loading this page, click accept invite, and you will wait to allow human make this verification step and wait. Just await to loading this page Discord, and after that guys, verify you are human on the inside the Discord server. Just follow the steps, for example, and this is all Discord server. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more content. See you in another video soon.